Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A splendid Haussmannian building, 220 square meters of space on the 5th floor, with a view of the trees of the 17th arrondissement of Paris. Facing the living room, the room features two teak bookcases, surrounding a custom-made green lacquered sideboard. From the living room, the apartment offers a series of rooms that evoke a painting for an interior designer where you can see pretty lines. From the living room to the bathroom or in the kitchen frame from the dining room, the living room combines textures, fabrics, marble, rattan, ceramics in a coherent set of tones. The bedroom was divided into two to create a dressing room behind the bed. The lacquer furniture in the style of Eileen Gray, the curves of Jean Royer, the ornamentation of Portalupi, the wood of Charlotte Perriand, custom-made and second-hand objects. It brings together the dearest inspirations.